Well, finally, things have warmed up a bit in the nation, but tomorrow we'll have to get ready for some rain or snow. For more on that, let's go over to our Kwon So-ah standing by at the Weather Center. So-ah, hello.
Hi, Jie, and good evening to all our viewers. Now, we do have nationwide precipitation in the picture. Now, this evening, it'll gradually get cloudier, and currently there's some fog or haze around the central inland regions, but it shouldn't affect your commutes that much. Now, tomorrow, we'll be having a low-pressure trough coming in from the southwest, which means the rain will start down on Jeju Island and the south coast regions and then spread nationwide. Now, the southern regions are expecting the biggest amount of rain, maybe over 60 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Gangwon province's north-central regions, we've got preliminary heavy snow advisories issued. For there's a chance of more than 15 centimeters of snow. Now, much of the precipitation is going to let up at night or Saturday morning. Now, temperature-wise, the capital Seoul starts off much higher than today at -1 degree and hits +4 later in the day. Daegu, Gwangju, and Busan even begin in the positives. And moving over to Daejeon, which will range from -2 to 7. Jeju even makes it to the high teens. And Myeongkumgang also expects a slight rise. And don't forget your umbrellas tomorrow. And if you're watching from other parts of the world, here's the international weather. It's going to be a snowy day for Beijing, but not too much to pile up on the ground. Not too wintry in Tokyo, and actually temperatures rise a few degrees while the sunshine prevails as well. Islamabad expects a fair amount of rain, New Delhi just a few morning showers. Partly cloudy for Manila and Bangkok, and same goes for Port Moresby. Enjoy warm conditions down under in Perth and Sydney, but over in Melbourne it's going to become a little wet. While Thursday was a mild day for Wellington, things cool off again, along with winds that'll make it more chilly. Only a chance of a shower or two in the early hours in Vancouver, partly cloudy skies in Montreal. Crystal clear conditions are in store for Chicago, New York, Washington, D.C., and even LA that gets a rest off the rain. Consistency is the word that comes to mind when we take a look at Bogota and Lima's weather, which stays unchanged. A lot of thunderstorms are forecast for Rio de Janeiro. Sao Paulo expects them mainly in the evening. Freezing and very cloudy it'll turn out in Moscow, pretty rainy in London. Berlin stays lingers in the negatives, while Paris temperatures shouldn't be too bad. Now what could be bad though is soaking rain and winds, and similar for Rome and Madrid. It's going to be pretty cool in the upper part of Africa, with highs looking okay, but lows in Tripoli, Algiers, and Cairo should all be around 10 degrees lower. Dakar and Cape Town will be the warmest cities. Now for more weather updates, I'll be back here after 10, so see you then.
Thank you, So-ah. And that's all the news we're following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates in our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.